Hello everyone, in this video we're going to draw Bart Simpson. Start by drawing a big rectangular shape as a guide for the head. To draw the shape, first draw a long vertical line. Tilt the line slightly. To the right, draw another tilted vertical line for the other side of the shape. Draw this line the same length but tilt it a little bit less. Don't draw the lines too close together. Pay attention to the distance between the lines in relation to their lengths. Connect the lines at the top using a curved horizontal line. The left side of this line should curve down more than the right side. Close off the shape at the bottom using another curved horizontal line. Sketch lightly at first so that it's easy to erase if you make a mistake. Also, pause the video to draw at your own pace. Inside the head, draw a long vertical line. This is a construction guide that will help you place the facial features later on. Tilt the line a little bit so that it's parallel to the right edge of the head. Pay attention to the distance between this line and the right edge of the head. Now draw a horizontal line across the head for another construction guide. Place this line close to the middle of the head. The left side of this line should be slightly lower than the right side. On the lower left side, draw two short diagonal lines as guides for the neck. Pay attention to the distance between these lines. Close off the shape at the bottom using a curved horizontal line. And that's it for the guidelines. Now let's start on the final drawing. Inside the head, draw a circle for the first eye. To draw the circle, first make two small marks to indicate the circle's length, and then on the sides make two more small marks to indicate the circle's width. Then connect the marks using curved lines to finish the shape of the circle. Place the eye to the left of the vertical construction guide. The top edge of the eye should be just above the horizontal construction guide. Pay attention to how big this circle is in relation to the head. Sketch lightly at first, and when you get the size and position of the eye right, darken the shape. To the right, draw another circle the same way for the other eye. Only use 3 marks to indicate the sides of the circle because the 4th mark will be hidden behind the first eye. Connect the marks using curved lines to finish the shape of the circle. This eye should be slightly smaller than the first eye. The right edge of this eye should be outside the shape of the head. Between the eyes, near the bottom, draw a curved line for the nose. The nose is made up of 2 short horizontal lines for the top and bottom, and a curved line on the right side for the tip of the nose. The shape of the nose should be similar to the letter U on its side. Pay attention to the size of the nose in relation to the eyes. The tip of the nose should be very close to the edge of the head. Inside the eyes, draw 2 tiny circles and shade them in for the pupils. Pay attention to the placement of the pupils inside the eyes. Near the top edge of the head, lightly sketch a curved horizontal line. This line will help you place the spiky hair. Pay attention to the distance between this line and the top edge of the head. Now draw a series of small triangular shapes between the line and the top edge of the head for the spiky hair. Sketch lightly at first so that you get the spikes for the hair right. The shape of each spike should be similar to an upside down letter V. You may find it easier to draw the spikes if you turn the paper upside down. When you get the shapes right, darken the spikes. The spikes on the outer edges should be flat. Draw 9 spikes in total for the hair. Now darken the edges of the initial shape to create the sides of the head. On the right side, draw a curved line above the eye for the brow. Darken the line on the left just below the horizontal construction guide. Don't darken the line on the left all the way to the bottom. On the left side, draw a curved line for the ear. The shape of the ear should be similar to the letter C. Draw a couple of curved lines inside the shape to give the ear more structure. Below the tip of the nose, draw a vertical line for the front part of the mouth. Keep this line close to the edge of the initial shape. Curve the line to the left along the path of the initial shape to create the overbite. On the left side, curve the line up slightly to create a smile. Sketch lightly at first and only darken the line when you get the shape right. On the left side, draw a short line for a smile line. Darken the line below the ear to create the left side of the neck. Under the mouth, on the guideline, draw a short curved line for the bottom lip. Then draw a short vertical line below the lip for the other side of the neck. Now go over the final lines with a pen, a marker, or any other type of permanent ink. The next few steps are sped up so that the video won't be too long. Take your time and be careful when you ink your drawing to avoid any accidents. Don't ink the initial guidelines, only the final drawing. When the ink dries, erase all of the guidelines. And now color your drawing. Use yellow on the entire head for the classic Simpsons look. And that's it for Bart. Don't forget to pause the video to draw at your own pace. Also, please visit easydrawingtutorials.com where every step of this tutorial is broken down into an individual image. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a like and a comment. Also subscribe for more videos in the future. Thank you for watching, and until next time, keep drawing.